Hello folks, welcome again. This time I want to show you this. When we did this analysis, we see that the price was to come to the breaker and maybe somewhere here before we broke down. Aggressively, if somebody takes their trade here, stop loss here, it could have been taken out. This is now why I emphasize the pattern is very important. Yeah. So the market didn't react at the breaker, but instead it went where? To the source, the black line, the source here. But now let's see the pattern. Now, when we talk about the pattern, we talk about this. Yeah, I want you to see this structure. This is what everybody should be waiting for before you take your trade. Yeah, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then a lower low is made, which is below this. This is a confirmation that now we're looking to do what? To reverse. Therefore, this becomes our BMS. We sell here at this, the last bullish candle before. So your entry is here, your stop loss is here. So if I was to trade, I will sell here. I'll sell here. My stop loss around 7 pips, so I will expand at 10 pips. Then first target always this low, which is 50 pips, and then and so on and so on. So let's see if I was supposed to take this trade, I could have taken the way I've shown you. And my first take profit was to be this low first, second, and the last one, the liquidity drew below here. So we wait and see how the price gonna react here. And I don't want to add a trade on the other account. That's why I used this one to do the analysis. So, and I don't want to take the trade because I already have a running trade. Now, the other pair that we looked at was this one. Yeah, you see, it's progressing well. Yeah, here. And about the pattern, let's see the pattern. You know, these things, they become obvious when you get used to them. Yeah, and you stay disciplined. That's the most important of all, disciplined. Yeah, you see, aggressively, somebody could have taken their trade above here. Gracefully, this was the first trade. Yeah, but for me, see this is a clean pattern, shifting market structure, BMS. Yeah, okay, let's count it like the other one we did. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low. I failed to make new higher high, then BMS. So from here, we expect the price either to go to the breaker or to go to the source. But in this instance, the price reacted to where? To the breaker. And this can be the source or this one. So the price reacted here. So we sell here and our stop loss is above here. So we just use around 10 pips. Let's see what we have. Our entry is there. Our stop loss above here. That's good. When if you use here 10 pips, that's okay. Stay safe. And then there's that's the entry using the pattern. And then our target is this low, as I told you. So let's see, wait and see what we have. So guys, keep watching, and I'll come back later. Let me go do some 2-3 things here, and I'll come back to see what happened. Hello folks, I'm back. Yeah. Yeah, I've just gone almost 2 hours, but only to find out that but still the price is progressing well. Yeah. So you can be able to see the pattern. Entry was here, and again later on we had a break of structure. So if you missed this entry, the second entry was here to this. That's where the second entry, and see the first target will be down here. So the entry was here, the target was here. These are around 100 pips. Yeah, it's possible to be hit. And what the other pair? The other pair was this one. Yeah, you see, after the pattern, still slow but sure. Okay. Slow but sure. Yeah. So the break of structure, yeah, they took out the high. That's okay still. Yeah, equal lows, they have taken the lows, return was here, and you see the price is positive. So like I told you I was to enter here when it was returned here. This was my entry and my stop loss 10 pips away. I think we measured that 10, 10 here. So it was not gonna be taken off. So it was 6. Yeah, and it's dropping. So far so good. It's around 30 pips and it's dropping. You know, I told you the market is slow because maybe they're holding for tomorrow's sake so that they make those crazy moves tomorrow during NFP. But anyway, that's how you look for entries, and I think if you get used to it, it becomes obvious. You start having that assurity that this trade is a high probability trade. So even if you place, yeah, you execute a trade with a good lot size, you can make good money, but not when you are guessing. You use a good lot size when you know you're doing what? You are sure about what you're doing. I know most of the time we don't. Yeah, I mean, most of the time you find that we are not guaranteed that we are sure about the entries we make. But at least when you get to learn these things in the talk of experience, you'll be able to understand that some other entries become, you grow some maturity about it. So guys, that's all I had for you today. What's happening on this other pair? That DJ actually, let me check this other thing. Yeah, the trade to hit take profit will be hit. I'm trading small today. Yeah, my take profit is around. I'm gonna get $175. Yeah, that's not bad for a day. But it was in that trading day, and yesterday too was in that trading day. But at least I got some few dollars. Again today, I feel like I'm gonna get some $150 plus because this one is $175. That's okay, but I will expect more tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna trade tomorrow again, but once I'll be able to see a clear pattern, why should I not? I can and I will. But for now, guys, stay safe and good luck and good trading.